Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix ad blockers violate YouTube terms of service error so you can enjoy videos without interruptions. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Chrome browser on your computer because this is the browser we will use to manage and install extensions. Make sure Chrome is updated and connected to the internet. This is important for accessing the extension store properly. Step 2. Click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the Chrome window to open the main menu. This menu contains settings and tools related to your browser. It allows you to manage extensions and other features. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Extensions to view all installed browser add-ons. The Extensions page lets you enable, disable, or remove tools added to Chrome. This section is important because ad blockers are managed here. Step 4. Click on Visit Chrome Web Store to open the official extensions marketplace. The Chrome Web Store is where you can safely download verified browser extensions. It provides ratings, reviews, and details about each tool. Step 5. Wait for the Chrome Web Store to fully load before continuing. A stable internet connection ensures the page loads correctly. This prevents errors while searching for the extension. Step 6. Click on the search bar at the top left corner of the store page, type AdBlock and press Enter. This helps you quickly find available ad blocker extensions. Searching correctly ensures you select the intended tool. Step 7. From the search results, select the extension named getadblock.com with the red hand symbol. This identifies the specific extension shown in the results. Make sure you choose the correct one to avoid installing the wrong tool. Step 8. Click on Add to Chrome to begin the installation process. This button allows Chrome to download and prepare the extension for use. It is necessary to grant permission for installation. Step 9. In the confirmation pop-up, click on Add Extension and wait for the installation to complete. Chrome will automatically install and activate the extension. Once installed, it becomes available in your browser toolbar. Step 10. Click on the newly installed extension icon near the top right corner of Chrome. This ensures the ad blocker is active and properly configured. You can also verify that it is enabled from this icon. Step 11. Reload any video on YouTube and check if the error is resolved. Refreshing the page allows the new extension settings to take effect. Your video should now play without showing the previous message. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.